First, I'm going to show you how can you update Games World application. Our application has been removed from Play Store due to some issues, and we are still trying to resolve the issue. We will upload it again after our new console account. So as you can see here, it says new update of Games World is found. So you have to click on update, and then it will take you to a Chrome browser or your preferred browser. Just click on the download app button. Download app button, and then click on download. I have already downloaded the APK file. That's why it is showing download file again. So that you have to click on update. Okay, so this error will be shown if you had Games World application installed from Play Store. So to resolve this, delete your current Games World application and then click on the newer one. Click on install. It will take some time. Okay, so it has been installed. Now click on open. Allow all the permission. It may ask 3 to lakhs. You just enter the credentials. If you want to read terms and conditions, you can click here, and if you want to read privacy policy, just click here. You have to click on login. So as you can see here. Okay, so here this is the recent orders, as you can see here. So now you can just purchase from here. Price low to high, price high to low. If you are facing this type of problems, then you might probably have to increase the display of your phone. Click on now. If you want to buy any products, just click on buy, and then it will take to you to a different page. Just for the first time, it will take to a different page. You just have to enter here the date of birth. Please enter a genuine date of birth, or else your account might get banned from our application. As you can click on submit, it will just show up a dialog here. Click on OK. Yeah, and thus you can enjoy our new update of Games World. Thanks for watching.